Here are some more tips for preventing pests in your garden. Rotate your crops. Pests can build up in the soil over time, so rotating your crops can help to break the pest cycle. Planting crops from different families in the same area each year can help to prevent pests from building up. Use mulch. Applying a layer of mulch around your plants can help to deter pests by making it more difficult for them to access the plant's stems and leaves. Mulch also helps to retain moisture and keep the soil cool, which can improve plant health. Provide proper plant care. Plants that are healthy and well cared for are less susceptible to pests and diseases. Make sure your plants are getting the right amount of water, nutrients, and sunlight. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can attract pests. Use pheromone traps. Pheromone traps use scents to lure pests away from your plants and into a trap, where they are caught and killed. These traps can be effective for certain pests, such as moths and beetles. Practice IPM, Integrated Pest Management. IPM is a holistic approach to pest control that involves using a combination of methods to prevent and manage pests. By combining cultural, physical, and biological methods, as well as pesticides if necessary, IPM can be a highly effective way to control pests in the garden. Remember that prevention is always the best way to manage pests in the garden, and by taking a proactive approach, you can reduce the need for chemical pesticides and keep your garden healthy and thriving.